Okay, class, welcome all of you. So today is our activity period, this one. And the theme is already shared with you. It's National Sports Day. And 2 days back, we had already conducted the first session of the activity of speech. So I would like to begin it again. So come voluntarily. Who want to speak first? Raise your hand or wave at least so that I can see and I can give you the chance to speak. Okay, so who will speak first?
Ma'am,
Yeah, Kshitij, you would like to speak?
no, ma'am, I'm Aditya, ma'am. I wanted to tell you something.
Yeah.
No, ma'am.
Huh.
I wanted to tell you something. Ma'am, that the previous session of the activity, the video which that have you shared, ma'am, the whole video is muted, ma'am.
Whole video is muted?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, no voice. Yes, ma'am.
No voice?
That's ma'am in that.
Okay, how did
Yes,
you,
ma'am, no
how
voice.
did you, what was the device on which you were listening to the video? Cause I have mentioned one comment too. Use, I have mentioned do not use ear plugs. Earphones के बिना
No,
अगर आप
ma'am.
वो वीडियो सुनेंगे तो आपको आवाज सुनाई देगी.
No, ma'am, तब भी नहीं सुनाई दे रही थी, मैम.
अच्छा, ओके.
मैम बिगिनिंग में मैम जब आप हमें इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहे थे मैम, आप हमें मार्क करा रहे थे कि हमारा कितना सिलेबस पेंडिंग है अभी, मैम वो सब ऑडिबल था मैम, लेकिन उसके बाद मैम सारा म्यूट हो गया था.
अच्छा, अच्छा हुआ मैंने परफॉर्मेंसेस नोट कर ली थी, वरना तो मैं अगर दोबारा सुनूंगी तो मुझे तो कुछ सुना ही नहीं देगा. Okay, I'll check Aditya and I'll try to fix the issue. Thank you for bringing it into my notice. है ना? Okay, so let us begin with the activity. Who is the speaker? How many people have prepared? Is there any? Come on, इतना शर्माना नहीं है क्योंकि देखो टाइम ऐसे ही जा रहा है ना? If you people have prepared, so I shall bring it on. Isha, Mahima, how many people have already said the speech?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have already.
Mahima, have you given the speech that day? I believe you have.
No, ma'am, I have not.
All right, fine. Then begin. Whose birthday do you want to be celebrated as? Sports Day, National Sports Day.
Major Dhyan Chand.
Begin then.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Mahima from class 8B and I'm going to speak on the theme National Sports Day and the topic is in place of Major Dhyan Chand, whose birthday would I like to be celebrated? So, I want Kapil Dev's birthday as to be celebrated as the National Sports Day because he has won many awards for India and also he is the captain of the cricket team in 1982 and he also won the Cricket World Cup. He was also a coach of Indian national team. He was also having a world record for holding greatest number of wicket taken. So this is the reason I would like to celebrate his birthday in place of Major Dhyan Chand.
Okay, Mahima.
Thank you.
So that is Mahima. And is there any other fellow? Apart from Mahima?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, Isha, begin.
Major Dhyan Chand is. We celebrate the National Sports Day on the birthday of Major Dhyan Chand. There are many stories famous about that Hitler asked him to join the German army as well as always asked the opponent team that the difference by which they lose it. It also said that his hockey stick was ticked if there was magnet in it. These can be conspicuous, but the fact is he was the great player for India. Sports is the spirit of life, and the way you do not do sporting, it fills you with the attitude that never say die. And that is the most important part of sports and life itself. India is gaining the talent in sports who have made us proud for a number of times. The great Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni and Virat Kohli are the youth icons. We find Sania Nehwal, Sania Mirza and Mary Kom, PV Sindhu not only as the players but as the symbol of women's strength. Besides, we won 7 medals in Olympics. We are so far from the target according to our skill and population. Here, what we miss is the infrastructure and training as well as the culture of sports. So the government along with the society should collectively make efforts for the betterment of sports in India. That's all. Wishing you a very happy sports day. Keep fit and keep smiling. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Isha.